Nobody's giving respect to me.
What, Grandpa? Looks like you're in some tension.
Nothing, my dear.
I feel nobody's respecting you.
No, nothing like that, my dear.
Sir. Good that you didn't go. I thought you would have gone there. That's why I came here.
What's the matter?
You should only name my son.
Oh.
That's why I came.
Did you see that the people of this place giving me
Like a
respect?
godfather.
Okay, have you come here alone? Where's your kid?
He'll come now. Son, come here.
What do you think? Are you making me a fool?
No, sir. After he was born, whenever I came here, you were not there. And whenever you were here, I was not there. Like that itself, he has grown up. We have not kept name right. That's why we call him Small One.
Actually, he was coming to tell that if you sow an orange seed, how can apple come from that?
What orange and what apple? Just explain to me very clearly, okay? I was trying to explain to you, sir. Get lost. But now I think this is not the right time, so I'm going. That is better. You can go. You come here, my dear. Come here. Show me your ear. Harry Dick.
I don't like this name.
Godfather.
This is a reason people tell that names should be given when the child is born itself.
Okay, come. From now on, your
I
name is
don't
Harry.
want name at all.
Hey, Susanna. Are you still not ready? Taking a lot of time.
Come fast. Yeah, they're coming, uncle. Come fast.
Coming, Mom. Grandpa, why are you shouting?
Come quick.
Sorry for the late, dear.
So finally the queen has arrived.
Why
It's
you
getting
think-
late. Please enter the car inside. Come on,
Okay.
quick.
Hey, try to sow the seed fast, otherwise it'll get ripened. You need not teach me anything, sir. I know everything to do. You'll get it nicely from me. Get out.
Hey, are you not coming?
Yeah, I'm coming. Just tell him.
Grandpa, he's saying he cannot come.
What are you doing?
Still she's sleeping. Hey, Anjali, why are you not waking up? Hey, you're getting late, no? Where she might have gone?
Without being worried about your daughter being missing, are you coolly going to school?
If she's a girl, I have to get scared. But you're not that, no?
Why wouldn't you say that? You're a good mom, a very good teacher, but you're still not a good wife to my father.
Why, dear?
Today is your wedding anniversary, right? You should have gone to the temple and prayed.
My husband itself is God. Then why should I go to temple? Okay, I kept tiffin in the hot pack, just eat. Packed separately for the college. Here, this is your exam fees. Take care. I'm leaving now. Look, don't waste your time. If you go late to the college and ask fine for that, you'll get severely from me.
She's really a teacher.
Daily, this is the problem with you. Yesterday itself, you might have finished the homework, no? Yesterday, fully you're watching TV, and now you're hurrying with your homework. Look, dear, first feed or else scold. Don't scold while you're feeding, ma.
Dad, give me 1,000 rupees, Dad.
You're asking me as though you have given me money?
Oh, only if I give, I have to ask. Otherwise, I shouldn't ask. Oh, is it?
Don't start morning itself, okay? Fine, just tell me why do you need $1,000 now?
Should I tell you reason for that?
Hey, come on. I just have $1,000 with me now.
Hey, I'll adjust with this.
Nowadays, you're acting too smart. I know the reason. It's your grandfather. You both will nicely get it one day from me.
What is the conversation
Nothing,
going
Grandpa.
on?
He has kept something for us. That too, it is not for today. Some other day.
Shut up.
Both of you are acting smart. Why are you getting me into
Grandpa,
trouble?
he's saying something.
Wait.
What, Dad?
Give me your bike key.
Why? What happened to yours?
My car is given for service. I'll be getting only in the evening. I just want to drop your sister at the school. You collect the key from my office.
Shut up, Dad. If I give my vehicle, how can I go?
Hey, nowadays you're talking against me. You're going beyond your limits. I will not accept this nonsense. I'm
Dad,
telling you.
chill. Why are you getting angry, Dad? If you get angry, it's not good for health. Over that, you don't even know how to get angry properly. If I see you getting angry, I feel like laughing.
Hey, you always take your father for a ride, huh?
Leave that. Have you ever been angry at me?
How can I get angry on you? Actually, you're like my father.
Then what about him?
Will you please leave the place?
Bye, Dad. Hey, stop. I got the signal. You can start. Oh, man. She's so fresh like she has been taken out from a fridge. Hello? I have a cell phone. Do you have a SIM card?
Yeah, it's there. But it is in prison now
Why did it go there?
because of doing 2 murders.
Whom are you talking about?
I'm talking about my lover.
Hey, This babe looks very posh, but after talking to her, she seems to be very local. I'll shift to other network. Brother, what are you doing down there?
Hey, what's a failure?
The way you're asking seems like whatever you have put, everything is snowball.
True, sir. Free hit.
Oh, you have been ducked out for a free hit. This number looks very fancy for our fingers. Can I take this?
Sure, take, sir. It's kept for taking only.
Okay, I'll take this number. But I'll give money after I put my hands on that, okay? No. After I give a call. Hey, while coming, I'll take lift and come. You come directly to the theatre. Okay, buddy.
What, sir? It seems like you only keep the helmet.
Correct. Taking loan for 50,000 and paying EMI for every month. We have to put petrol and pay fine for the police who catches us on the way. Am I a fool? Buy a 300 rupee helmet, take lift and keep going. That is what is my style. Seems like there is no break. It's there. Hey, can you please drop into Surya Hospital? What are you thinking? My friend's dad has an operation. I have to go there. I have to give blood.
Sorry, hop in.
Thank you. Hello? Yeah, I'm on my way. I'll come in 2 minutes. Excuse me. Can you please go fast?
Okay.
Please go fast, na?
Hello. If we go faster than this, we'll have to call someone to donate blood
Okay,
for
leave
us.
that. Take a right. We can go fast.
What to the right? That's a one way.
Oh, I know that. I have to give blood urgently. Please.
Okay. He mentioned hospital and where is he going now?
You saw that? I came sharp on time. Hey, who is that? She looks very angry. Huh? It's my new driver.
You idiot!
Hey,
I'll give you
Come. Don't see her face.
Hi dear, did you call me? I have a doubt. You're already coming in one way and the two overspeed. Don't you think that's wrong? Okay, I just leave it for you. If I put a ticket, then it's 500. Otherwise, 300. What do you say, dear? 300 is always a lucky number for me. Hey.
All of you concentrate properly. If you practice all the sums, it will be easy for you. Ramesh, you answer. If I give father 300, he is giving 100 rupees daily for me. In how many days he will return me?
He will never return.
Why you are laughing? Sit down. Why you stop now? Legs are paining, teacher. Let it pain. Not doing a homework is first mistake. In spite of that, you told me lies as you finished your homework and kept your book at home. One bad man is created only from his first lie. Continue your punishment. You all listen here. Teacher, she stopped. Come on, do it.
My legs are aching, Mom.
It's paining, no? Do you know how painful to earn the money? Easily saying that 300 is missing. Do you think that am I a fool? Thinking the teachers are innocent, sir? Come on, continue it. Okay, enough. Hey, go to your seat. If you say lies again, no? Then I'll show you. Here, take this.
Hey, she's beautiful, cute, na? Hey,
But
laughing,
she's
man.
smiling. Hey, be quiet.
Oh, bloody shit.
What happened, sir?
What should happen? The moment you open the paper, it's only nonsense news.
What did I ask and what are you talking? Why is this traffic jam? That's what I asked.
Bro, minister is coming, bro.
For one minister, we are all standing like this here. It all happens in our country itself. That too in our town.
Good suggestion, but nobody listens.
Dude, see that man?
What is all this, sir?
Sir,
Why the traffic has been blocked to this extent?
nothing, sir. It's all for you.
For me? Why, sir? Just for one person like me, all these people have to wait or what? This happens only in our country, especially in our bloody state. And this is termed as democracy. Excuse me, everyone. This is my mistake and I accept the responsibility. This has happened without my knowledge. Even then, since this mistake has happened for me, For each and everyone present here, I beg pardon from my end. Please forgive me. For heaven's sake, please forgive me. This injustice will never happen here anymore.
Sir, super, sir. Salute.
Long live democracy.
Salute.
Long live.
Come on. Good man. What dude? Whatever you said, Minister also said the same thing.
Our leader, long live! Our leader, long live!
Sir,
What, sir?
you only said we have to block the traffic whenever you travel.
Yes, I did. I did say that then. Now I say it this way. Some issues may not strike even if I speak it on the podium. In this crowd, there might have been around 1,000 people. Those people will tell it to other people whom they know. And those people will actually keep multiplying it. People from here keep telling people there, and likewise everyone will come to know. Everything translates to vote.
Thank you for the lift.
What for? That day you gave lift to me. Now I'm giving you. So, everything is evened out. From now on, I won't give you a lift. Even you don't have to give me. Let's stop it right here. Is it okay?
Why is that?
If someone sees you sitting behind me in this bike, they'll take it wrong.
If that's the case, that day I had given you a lift too. If they had seen us that day, wouldn't they have mistaken
No.
us?
If a guy sits behind a lady, they'll think it as a lift. Instead, if a lady sits in a bike behind a guy, they'll think everything other than lift. That is
Oh.
psychology.
If that's the case, you can drop me next to that signal.
It's okay. I'll drop you in the bus stand.
No. Drop me there itself.
Okay? Oh.
Oh,
place?
people are following the rules and regulations very correctly.
I'll get
All
down
the
here
people are
itself.
behind the line.
No problem, right?
No, nothing like that. That's what. Lift for lift. Now it's equal, right?
Cool then. Hey, my key.
First pay your fine, then I'll give you the key.
Hey!
So today's collection form is from this man's hand. What, my dear friend, did you call me? That I will take care. You have parked your vehicle in the middle of the road. That is very wrong, you know. Okay, leave that. If the ticket is put, 500. Otherwise, 300. What do you
First,
say?
take your hand from the bike. We'll go to the side and talk.
Hey, I'm a policeman.
You're taking bribe, right?
Okay, why are you shouting?
Then push the bike.
Oh, he is able to find my weakness. Okay, I will
hold,
also help
push
you.
it,
Come on,
push
lift,
it.
lift.
See how I
come
caught
on.
them. Go. I've heard that guys get locked up with girls. Today I'm seeing right in front of me. Shut up and push the vehicle. Not you, sir. This guy.
Is that
Instead
so?
of this, you could have gone.
Okay,
to
just give a hand.
Is this a
Let
job?
us lift this.
Lift.
Okay. Come on, give it.
What?
You said you'll give me.
Inspector, sir. That was when the bike was in the middle of the road.
Yeah.
Now you have brought it to the side, right?
Yeah.
How's that, dude?
You are acting smart. I will not leave you. I'm coming now.
Why is this guy running like a drunken dog? His leg is like a cutting player.
If you're paying the bill, 500, else 300. So tell me, 500 or 300? What? You're getting angry? So imagine how angry I would have been. Here, take it. And don't try all these tricks with me again. You understood?
What? Tinkering? Looks like she's a mechanic girl.
Now take the money.
Why, sir?
Did you not see the board? No parking.
Hey, to get this board, you ran like a mad dog.
You thought I'm a fool or what?
You've kept everything ready, mate.
I don't care.
All that is okay. Somebody has parked in the back, right? Go ask that lady.
Is that so? Oh, okay, who's that?
Hey.
What is this? They are circling us like old film villains.
Hello. Why are you staring like this? I'm asking you. Are you getting angry? Even we have come with loads of anger. Because of you, the money we had to give for fee, we had to pay that as fine. And yesterday, I had to pay extra fine for the electricity bill also. Do you know what my mom asked me? She asked me if I'm having drinks or not. Hello, what makes you laugh so much? 300 and 300, 600 plus 400 for me losing my pride. So totally, you owe me 1,000 rupees.
1,000 rupees.
I won't leave from here without you giving me that. And then only, even you'll go from here. Why are you staring at me, huh? Say something now. Open your mouth and speak. Why are you staring like a thief? I said talk. Talk.
I love you.
Huh?
With just one statement, you left everybody surprised. If they come to know, they will close us. Run, man. Escape.
Hey, get up. Sofa is for sitting. If you want to lie down, go to your bedroom.
Who are you? Why are you coming here?
Isn't this Indran's house?
You're right, but who are you?
You ask him who I am.
Dear, who's parked the scooter outside? May I know who you are?
By the way, who are you?
I'm the owner of this house.
I never said this is my house.
What? Who are you? For what purpose have you come here?
You go ask Indran who I am.
Oh, is
How
it?
much time you're taking to bring the vegetable? Who is she?
You ask her.
Who are you, dear?
Who are you?
Alfred's mom.
Now say whom you are.
You go ask Indran who I am.
What is this? Who is that,
Who's
dear?
Go ask Idaya.
Hey, where are you now?
When will she come? When will she come?
She is come. Just come out fast.
I can't handle your torture, Dad. You don't allow me to take bath. After marrying, I'll go separate.
We'll think about it after the marriage. Now just come out fast, you bloody fool.
Cool. Huh?
Who is she?
Who, what? Oh, the song I was singing?
No, dear. One girl has come to see you.
Girl? Looking for me?
Or for your grandfather, you think?
Hey,
Maybe.
hey, don't talk nonsense. Just
First
go and
step.
see. Come.
Come,
Just
go.
move on quick. Come on.
Dad, leave me,
That's
Dad.
the way.
I said go.
I'm coming, right?
Now you tell me that you love me.
Where did she
Come,
Will you
come.
please
Say
move
who
on?
is she?
Come on.
Come on, say who is she?
Wait. Who is this?
This
You're
is
asking who
Idaya.
is he?
It's not him. Indran is always very handsome and smartly dressed.
Hello. Do you have the correct address with you?
Number 32, Kandapuram Street, isn't it?
This is 32 Barracks Road. You have come to the wrong address and trying to act smart. Will you please go out?
Sorry.
Such a crazy
My son
girl.
is smart than anyone.
You're not looking handsome.
Hey, get lost.
Without knowing the address, they are coming
She
inside.
just shook us all. Oh God. If you come to my house, do you think I'll get afraid?
I already saw that.
What?
Didn't you get very scared?
I didn't get afraid, okay?
I could have mentioned that I know you. Okay, I thought that you're a good man. That's why I didn't
If
say
you
it.
had told that I know this person, even I would have told. I would have told them that we love each other.
What? Love?
That's what I told yesterday, that I love you.
Hey, mister, are you mad?
Who else will love you?
Hello? Who is this?
It doesn't matter who I am. I've kept a CD in your bag.
CD? What CD? Yeah, what's there in it?
It's the play that your dad is actually playing. Not with your mom, but with some other lady. You're his daughter. If you see that, it'll be a sin. But if we show it to your mom, it'll become a big issue. If we send it to a TV channel, they will telecast it and it'll become a big issue.
What should I do?
You mean to say that in the DVD?
Actually, there is nothing like that in the CD like you're thinking. It's just an empty
In
CD.
that case, you will get the minister's post.
I'll be the CM forever now.
Take the seat. What, boss? Why are you getting so angry?
Then what should I do? Is she a good girl? Will I not get a girl any other than this?
This is the matter. There might be hundreds of girls in the town, but we have to find a very good lady for your son so that they will get insulted. Sir, what are you looking at? The girl which I show you, if we get our son married to her, that fellow will definitely commit suicide.
Do you know any such girl?
I will say, but you should not get angry.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, it is our Minister Victor Lawrence's daughter.
Hey, what are you talking nonsense?
Why are you shouting at him? I already told you. He only...
Look, will you just shut up and get out from here?
Sir, what madam is telling, it is correct, sir.
What is correct?
It is...
Even if we both are in the same party, till this date we don't have a relationship at all. And one more thing, in this situation, how can I ask his daughter for my son?
Sir, you don't have to ask that. Why am I here?
That's alone not the
Sir,
reason.
leave all the responsibilities on me. I will take care. Sir, what are you thinking? Just say yes.
Let us wait for some more
Okay.
time. We'll think about it later. I will inform you when the time comes.
Okay, sir. Then I'll leave.
What's up, man? What's the matter? Is the news positive or...
Sir, definitely it will work, sir.
It should work. We should make it work.
Dad,
Yes,
you
my
have to
son.
go alone for shopping, right?
Why,
If
what's
there are
wrong?
beautiful girls around, I can't even see them properly, right?
Are you joking? In your age, do you know how I was enjoying my life?
Hi, uncle.
Hi, baby. I've seen you before somewhere.
I had come to your house with the wrong address. You forgot me so soon.
Oh, yeah. Did you find the actual address and the person?
Yeah, found him out, uncle.
Is it just a plain
If
friendship?
it's only friendship, girls will suffice. Why are they boys then?
In that case, it should be pure
Who
love.
is he? Your younger brother?
When you see me, do you think so like that?
That's not the matter.
Oh.
You know, you look very young.
Oh, thank you, dear.
Is your son already married?
Oh, that need not be discussed at all. You have not given a burden to your parents and you have selected a life partner for yourself. But see this boy? He's always behind me just like a small
Dad,
kid.
this is all too much. Hey, who is that stupid driving the jeep like this, man?
Your wife's husband, man. I'm just coming now. Hey, no one should go from here. What, buddy? My boss had asked your property. You could have collected money and put the signature, but you have created unnecessary problem. Now see your status. You have lost the property and your money. Huh? Okay. Come out and put a signature in this. What are you thinking about? Put the signature soon.
Why should we put? If Seth asks means we have to give her. We can't do that.
Hi, beautiful lady. So you're taking care of all the dealings, right?
You know something? For quite some time, my guys wanted to see you completely naked.
Oh, can you come outside now? Come, sweetheart. Hey, come on. Hey, come on.
Leave me.
I said come on. Hey. What happened? Suddenly a roadblock to stop the vehicle? Hold on, let me go and see there. What, buddy? Trying to act smart or what?
Why are
I'll kill you.
Leave my hand.
Hey, shut your
Leave
mouth.
me, please.
Hey,
Leave
hey,
me, man. Hey,
I said put
why are
the
you hitting?
signature.
Why you people are doing
Hey, come, let's
What are you
enjoy.
doing?
He is not willing to put the signature. You can start your job. What's happening here? He's pulling on the girl's sari and people are like, why don't you guys just enjoy, man?
Somebody
come
help.
on, come on.
What are you guys doing? Somebody help, please. Don't do anything. Dad, where are you going? Stop, Dad. Listen to me, please.
You please leave me.
Please, Dad. They are rowdy people. What will you do then?
Minnie said we have to go back. Just leave me.
They are
I'm
bad
going.
people. What will you do then? Please listen to me. Dad,
Just go away.
please listen to
Hey,
me.
leave her. Madam, you can please go. Are you mad? In the middle of the road, you're trying to harm a lady? Shit. Ma'am, you please leave. All are just watching quietly. Why are you interfering in this matter? What? What will
Dad,
you do to me?
please listen to
Hey,
me.
what are you staring
Dad,
at this? Hey,
Dad,
leave her.
please listen to me.
Madam, you please leave this place immediately. Don't you understand English? And don't you have common sense? Can't you understand what is happening
not
here?
that, Dad.
You're talking nonsense again.
Dad.
Hey!
Wait, Dad. It's my dad, man.
Hey! Are you mad or what? If he's your dad, just take him away from here.
It's my dad, man.
Hey! Why are you raising your voice? If he's your dad, you think he's a big shot or what? Huh? You!
It's my dad, I said.
Hey!
Come. 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 Come, man. He's my dad, I say. Hey. Ah. Yay! Yeah! Yay! Where's my dad, I said?
Hey. It's me. Relax. Relax. Come, let's go.
Hey! Where are you going? Did you not see me here? Hey, you fatty old man! Are you afraid in taking back your son with you? Is he a man or is he like me?
Good morning, Dad. It's Sunday, you've eaten nicely, taken bath, and again you're sleeping? You can join me and do some exercise, right?
Why should I do exercise in this age?
What are you saying, Dad? If you become little slim, I'll find a beautiful girl and get her married to you.
Wow, very good, dear. You're so
I thought
great.
he'll do something like that.
Hey, I will not fall in your trap. You know who's the most beautiful girl in this world?
Who?
It's your mom.
Oh. You are believing this?
Why, dear? Am I not beauty?
Nobody can correct you.
You give
Hello?
it to me. If he doesn't want,
Hey,
I
I'm
will
speaking.
have it. I was
Yeah.
just joking. You don't take it serious.
Dude, we can talk later. Keep the phone, man. Dad.
Who's that?
It was my friend.
Not on the phone. Who's the girl I'm asking?
Girl? Which girl?
Hey, from the day you started learning, I've told you several times to tell your name completely, and for the first time you have done it. Now tell me, what made you to tell your name completely this time? And better be frank with me, okay?
Dad, keep quiet, Dad.
No.
She's not come yet. Dad,
Hmm?
why is your hand shaking like this?
I'm just a little nervous because we are going to see a girl.
You're
you
looking
know?
a girl for me, not for you. Just understand, Dad.
That's not the reason. She's a new girl. That's why I'm a little nervous.
We are looking girl for me. You have so much tension. What did you do when you were looking for yourself?
No. I've not seen your mom before. My parents told me to get married and I saw your mom. Anyway, your mother is very beautiful.
How come, Dad? You are so controlled and you have given me so much freedom.
The way I want to live my life, I will make you to live like that.
You are the real hero, Dad.
Yes, I know, but I want to go now.
But where?
Lou.
Girl will come now, Dad.
No, my dear, I'm getting tense, so let me go and come fast.
Man.
Hi, Uncle.
Hi, baby. How come you're here?
Oh, I came to meet my lover, Uncle.
Is that so? Even my son is loving a girl. I've just come to meet her. That's the reason I've come here.
Oh, is that so? All the best.
Okay. She talks too much. I don't know who's going to be that poor boy who's going to marry her.
I have not told anything. You have to tell everything to Dad. Please.
Hey! Hey, why are you sitting with this girl? Hey, you told me that day that you're loving some other boy.
Not some random guy, Uncle. It's his son itself.
This is cheating. You were talking something else that day.
It was just a comedy.
So you were trying to pull me.
No,
is it?
no,
Huh?
no,
I will not leave you
Uncle,
today.
No, leave him. Please don't blame him, Uncle.
Oh.
Dad, leave all that. How is the girl?
Is that so? One day she took us for a ride. Now lifelong she will take you for a ride.
No, I'm sorry, Uncle.
I was just joking, my dear. She's asking sorry. She should be a good
Okay,
girl.
thanks, Dad. Actually, why is this meeting is? You have to tell this to Grandpa.
Uh,
Dad, please, Dad. You have to convince everyone, Dad.
How can I tell this to my dad?
Just now I said you are a real hero.
I don't know how to. You want me to get beatings from my father at this age? Eh? She's a beautiful girl.
Dad!
Sam Nicholas, come inside. Dad, I want to discuss with you some important matter. You first come and sit here. I also want to discuss one important matter with you. Actually, Dad, I was about to talk. Hey, am I your father or are you my father? Yeah, I've sat here. when I tell you something now, you should not get angry at all, okay? Our Alfred is loving a girl. Why are you staring at me? No, I don't like it. Actually, today morning he came to me and told that he's in love with a girl. He wanted to discuss this matter with all of us. That's the reason he's come. I immediately said okay to him. Do you understand?
Oh, you both are here only, huh?
Come, dear. What is the matter?
Uncle, what does that mean?
Should I tell him to go out?
No, Uncle, let him be here.
Tell me.
Uncle, you should not get angry, okay? Actually, my son is in love. See, now itself you're getting angry. That's why he's very scared to say you. He personally told only to me, Uncle. He's asking me to get permission from everyone, Uncle. So, without asking your permission, I accepted, Uncle. Everyone are here only, huh?
Why? You want to discuss any important matter? Our grandson is loving a girl, right?
Yeah, he told only to me, no? How you people know this?
Where is that useless fellow? I want to see him
Let's
now
go.
himself.
Not told to anyone. You are the first person I've told. You know why? You are the youngest girl in the house. If you tell, nobody will get angry. My sweetie, please do this. I'll have tears of happiness.
What, dear? You didn't finish that story, huh?
Escape!
Stand there!
Where are you trying
Don't
to
go
run?
anywhere!
Hey, catch him! Don't leave him! Catch him!
Hey, don't make us to run,
I will not
yeah?
leave you today. Hey! She is running just like a small kid.
Do it carefully. All my iron clothes are full of freckles each and every time you iron them.
Yeah, good comment. After coming from the school, have to cook, I have to wash clothes and vessels. And after doing all this, you'll be giving a very good comment for
leave
me.
it. I had something to tell you. Shall I ask?
Ask.
If I'm in love with someone, what will you do?
I will kill you.
Thank you.
Hey dear, is everything ready? They are about to arrive, so everything should be okay.
Everything is ready here.
Okay, carry on. Hey, what are you sitting here? They are about to come.
What should I do?
What should you do? You have done everything and you are asking a question. Huh? Hey Sam, what is this nonsense going on here? Usually the bride has to go to the groom's house. Instead now they are coming here. What is happening?
What will my dad do? They will come here. You ask them itself.
What dear? You are supporting your dad.
Yes. Any problem?
Hello.
Hi, sir.
Hello. My greetings to everyone in the colony. Come.
Yeah, tell me.
They are here, Dad.
Okay. Hey, come. Sir, come. Please come.
Hello,
Please
ma'am.
Welcome.
Hello, ma'am.
Please come.
Please come.
Come.
Come here. Please take your seat.
Normally, the groom's people only will come to see the bride's people. You might be wondering why this change here.
Not at all, sir. You are a minister. You have come personally to our house. We are really happy for that, sir. Come. Please have a cup of coffee.
Sit quiet.
Please
Thank
do.
you. Thank you so much.
Just keep it there.
So, can we discuss what we need to discuss?
What does that to talk in this? The next auspicious muhurtam will have the
Yeah.
marriage.
Of course,
That's it.
why not?
Anjali is having exams, no? After finishing her exams, we'll fix the time. Before that, at least we can keep engagement.
Why later? This itself we can treat as an engagement. As soon as her exams get over, we can directly get them married.
You're absolutely right. Okay.
After finishing everything smoothly, we decided to go to the temple. If you also join, we'll be very happy.
Oh, along with us, sir. Where do we have time for all this?
So please send sister alone.
Before marriage, we should not send like that. It is not fair exactly.
What won't be right? Nowadays, everyone keep the reception before the marriage. Well, you can take her with you. Okay. Thank you so much once again. We shall meet again.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good morning, boss. You told me to come. What's the matter?
I didn't call you to perform any rituals here. You got to kill. My ambitious political desires are going to be ruined by one fellow.
I didn't get you.
One fellow is loving my daughter.
I know that, boss.
Huh? Knowing this, you kept quiet. Shouldn't you have killed him?
I thought that you know that matter, boss. In fact, I already have a problem with that bloody fellow. Now tell me, boss. I will finish him.
Wait. A small correction. You leave him.
Then?
Finish somebody off from his family.
I didn't get you.
Hey, if something happens to him, people will suspect me. If somebody from his family dies, the marriage will get delayed for another 1 year for rites and rituals. That's enough for me.
Oh my god. I don't know how can he be so cruel.
I'll do as you say.
Whatever happens, it should not look like a murder. It should look very realistic. Just like an accident.
Grandpa?
Hey, why are you crying now?
Look, son, we didn't do any sin to die like that.
Hey, you should have told nothing has happened, right?
Where did he allow to tell me? He cut the phone immediately. There was electricity short circuit in the house. There was a wire which burned and it fell in the house. And the house just burned completely.
Okay, Grandma. When house was on fire, where were you?
The reason why we did not come here with us, in the nearby town there's a cinema hall, a very good movie. We just went to see that.
If we say that you won't leave, no, that's why we didn't tell you. That time only house got fire.
Why are you still crying, my dear? Come, wipe your tears. Why are you still waiting? Come, let's continue.
Cheer up.
Hey, come, please come. Welcome,
A big
sir.
hello
How
to
are
you
you?
too. You said you'll be coming to our house. He was saying so. According to your status, you are not supposed to come to our place. That's the reason I myself came.
I'm always with him. I don't know from where he gets such type of points.
Tell me, boss. Anything important?
Did he not tell you anything,
No,
sir?
he didn't say anything.
I'm sure he's going to get into trouble.
It's like, I thought I'll tell you when we meet in person.
Oh.
Actually, sir wants to become a relative of you.
I didn't get you actually.
Actually, it's very difficult to understand you.
Actually, I just want to get married your daughter to my son.
God. For this you were struggling so much. From this moment onwards, she is not my daughter. She is your daughter-in-law. Please let us know time and place of marriage. We shall come with our daughter there.
Actually, we should get your daughter's reply too.
Boss, I don't understand why you ask all this. I didn't bring up my daughter like others do. She will never cross the limits I draw for. Not out of fear, but out of love.
Please get
Hi, ma'am.
Have it.
Thank you.
You also take.
Next, the marriage feast only. You make arrangements for the marriage.
If you visit this temple, your son also will get married very soon. Already my son's marriage is fixed. That's why I came to give the garlands to the god. See you later.
Hey, no man, don't come close to me. Don't come close to me. Otherwise, if somebody comes close to me, I'll slit this woman's throat. I'm seriously telling you, don't come close to me. Don't come. Mom?
Hello to everyone.
Greetings, sir.
Please come, sir.
Hello. Sit. How is ma'am?
Now there is no problem. Yes, sir. We have made sure she is alive, sir.
This lady is safe. Now who will save you?
Please take care of her very well. Okay, then I shall take leave.
Thank you, sir.
You both please be here for some time and then come.
Mm.
My dear, your house in your village got burned down. Someone tried to assault your mother. Some truck tried to hit your father. What do you think? What do you think is the reason for all this? Everything seems to be a bad omen. Now what you should do right now is, your entire family should go to a few temples, perform some penances there. Everything will become alright. Don't delay, dear. Start as soon as possible. There everything will be arranged by me. Okay, shall I?
What happened?
Was there any lorry accident?
Yes, but how did you know?
Look here. Those who are leaving now should never return. An entire family who went to visit the temple met with a road accident and died. That should be the news tomorrow. I have other plans for my daughter. Therefore, kill the entire family here. And don't give any excuses hereafter.
Sir, why are you looking at the phone itself?
I am still yearning to hear the news of the family who has actually gone to the temple for penance. Are you sure? Did you see them going?
I saw them, sir. They have gone with the family.
Uncle, take the prasadam.
What, dear? Didn't you go to the temple, I said?
Yes, uncle. I told all the matter to Grandpa. He told the problem was not with Shanishwar. It was the Rahu Ketu who were creating problems. That's why he took us to other temple.
You should have told me, right? We have people there also.
Your daughter and auntie, they are not at home?
No. Why? Do you want to tell something to them?
No, uncle. I want to talk to you.
Tell me, dear.
I want to talk personally.
There is no problem if he sits here. You may say.
Actually, I don't know how to tell, uncle. You should not get angry.
How can your words make me angry? Tell me.
Let's stop this marriage.
What are you trying to say?
Yes, uncle. The moment we started talking about this marriage, something has been happening from that time. I think me and your daughter are not meant to be together.
What if the horoscope is not good? We can do some penance for it, right? Don't talk rubbish.
That won't be nice, uncle. My family is important for me. I'll do anything for my family.
Mind you, if your family is important for you, then my daughter is also important for me.
That's what I'm telling, uncle. Till now, I have not told this matter to anyone. I'm telling only to you. I loved your daughter a lot. Now I'm telling I don't want. Please understand my problem, uncle.
What are you trying to say now?
Please, uncle. To your daughter and auntie, you have to explain everything.
Hey there. Some people can be poisoned to death. Some can be killed with sweetness. This issue is settled with sweetness alone.
I don't know what problem you'll get.
Tell me.
Nobody has come, boss.
They won't come. You come back. One more thing. Just drop this operation. Don't do anything to them.
Why, boss, suddenly?
In fact, what I actually expected really happened.
Boss, your problem solved. But my account has not been closed. I'll have to kill that son of a bitch. It's my revenge. I have to do that.
Don't do anything in haste. Even this fellow started talking too much.
Shall I keep little more, uncle?
No, it's more than enough.
Welcome. Come inside, please.
Come, madam, please come.
Hey, what you thinking in your mind? You only loved her and want to marry her. But now, you're not interested to marry her. Why? We never saw your status also. We never cared for anything. Only for your love. He accepted everything by leaving all his status and agreed for your marriage. But you people learned him a good lesson.
What happened? Tell me
Don't
clearly.
just act as if you don't know anything. Because of my husband's kindness only, still you people are talking now. You just played in my daughter's life. Definitely you'll face for this. After fixing the marriage, if you suddenly say no means, who will marry her? A daughter is there in your house also. Don't forget.
Madam, what happened? Hey, what is going on?
Yes, Dad. I don't like that girl.
Are you mad? What is wrong with you?
Nothing has happened, Dad. I don't like this marriage.
That is why we are asking.
Hey, why are you moving? Answer to our
The moment
question.
we started talking about this marriage, something has been happening. Our house got burnt in the village. You had an accident. Knife incident with mom. Now itself this much. If marriage happens, then what?
Hey, why are you letting this
It's
into the
there,
marriage?
Dad. Something's wrong with that girl.
Hey, don't talk nonsense to yourself. This is a girl's life. Please remember, you should not take hasty decisions like this.
This is my life. I know what decision I have to make.
Hey, why are you talking against us? Let me be very clear. That girl is our daughter-in-law.
Then I can't be your son, Dad.
Hey!
Is that so? Then get out from this house. Why are you staring? Just get out.
What you say? Why are you asking
Hey!
me to...
He is now bothered about his life alone. He should not stay here anymore. He has to go out.
Take. Uncle. What happened to him?
Hello, dear.
What, Dad?
If it would have been some other girl in your place, she would have been crying. But you're laughing. You have the confidence that somehow I'm going to get you guys married, right?
What are you saying, Dad? Us getting back together? No, Dad. The day he denied our relationship, I've tried and gotten over him since then. For some odd reason, if he does this now, what if after marriage he just leaves me and goes away? How can I trust such a person, Dad?
What you said is also true. However, think once again. Thereafter, you can take a proper decision.
Why, Dad? I'm not going to change my decision. I'm ready for any other alliance.
If you're so stern on your decision, then what can I do now? But will you like the guy who I am?
Whatever your wish is, I'm okay with it.
Hey, who's that fallen in front of a car? Just check.
Uncle, save me, Uncle.
What here? What are you doing at this time?
Good that you came here, Uncle.
What happened, dear?
Paulson and his men are actually looking for me.
Those guys. Actually, why should they hit you?
Me and him, we had a big issue.
Okay. At this hour, how did you happen to come here?
When I told I won't marry your daughter, my dad expelled me from the house.
Oh my god. Is it so? Okay, you can stay in my guest house now.
Uncle?
That is actually safe for you, dear. What do you say?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Come with me. Come. Hello. First, he should be administered first aid.
Okay, sir. Is that Sam? What happened? You have not slept tonight. I'm not able to sleep. Why? What's the reason behind? You just go and lie down. You will try to sleep. I tried, but I'm not able to. You're always speaking against me. Are you my father or am I your father? When I was sending him, if you had asked me the same question, he would not have left this house there. I'm really worried. Where is he? What is he doing? You need not cry for this at all. If he does something, there should be a reason behind that. You just go and sleep. Hey,
Uncle,
you just take him, dear.
come.
My dear, we both are here in this party. But I'm alone drinking. What happened to you?
No, sir. If they come here also, I'm very scared, sir.
Who? Walt Peter? Even his father will not be able to come here. If he is Walt Peter, here there is a poison Peter.
What are you saying, sir?
I will always talk the truth.
You're talking about our uncle?
What is this? Whatever I am talking, an echo is coming back. This brand has got a late pickup, I think. The plan has worked out very well. Everything is over now. Actually, they both have a very intimate illegal relationship. I'm telling the truth. That means it's an illegal contract. I appreciate. What should I do now? Any help?
Sir,
Tell me, man.
sir, this Pan Peter had come with his men and he hit me and he's taken away the boy, sir.
What are you saying?
I'm not feeling that he's hitting me, sir, but he's broken your photo also
You
completely, sir.
disconnect the call. I'll see.
Okay, sir.
Hey, Commissioner.
Yes, sir.
That Pandey fellow. He is crossing the limits. It is not nice to let him go free now.
Now let me start the job clearly.
What for did you break that?
I had told him that they've broken his photo completely. That is the reason. Actually, he deserves it.
Can you just turn around?
Now, why did you hit me?
You said you were beaten and I was taken. There should not be any confusion, right? Hold this.
Come, my dear buddy. I was just waiting for you. What did you think about me? You thought I'm good for nothing or what? Just count your hours, buddy. I'm going to feed you buffalo milk now.
To feed me, I have lot of people in my house. For you, I've heard that there's no one to feed. That's why I came here to feed you. Paulson. Paulson. What? Getting afraid? Already you are people who have got beaten from me. You should have asked them. Come, man. Come on, I say.
Hey, why have you brought me here?
To introduce you to someone very special.
Important person? Who's that?
Look there. You see him? It's him. His name is Indran. He was my first lover.
First lover?
We both were in love for about a year.
1 year?
But now, he said he doesn't like me. And he just left me like that.
He left you?
Hey, hero!
Hey.
If you don't want me, you thought that I won't marry anybody else? Just look at him. We are going to get married very soon.
You can only get half mental like this.
Who is the fool here?
You are the one.
You are the one.
You.
You're the only
You.
one.
You. You lose. Get lost.
Shit!
Hello, why are you fighting like this? If you both love each other, then why don't you marry?
Her?
Huh?
I didn't see her face properly and I loved her.
Huh?
That marriage. Go man.
Don't tell like that, buddy. When you both were in love, I know what all would have happened. Please, why don't you marry her?
That's what I'm telling. I don't like, right? You only marry her.
Hello, I should marry the girl you loved or what?
Oh, then even you don't like her? Then you do one thing. You tell your father that you don't like this girl.
That is not possible, buddy. If you don't marry her, then I will have to marry her.
Oh, then you do one thing. If you do what I say, I'll protect you from this girl easily. The boy and the girl, they don't have any problem, sir.
Hey, Swami. Did I call you here to see the match or the time? Chart me an auspicious time.
No, sir. Actually... Okay, sir.
Hello, boss. Hello, ma'am. For my daughter and your son, I'm looking for an auspicious time.
You are seeing an auspicious time for a marriage which is over.
Boss.
Look, sir, if you are not interested to give your daughter to my son, miss, leave it. In spite of that,
Bloody stupid fellow! What rights you have to arrange for my daughter's wedding?
Marriage for your daughter? Me? What are you saying?
Will I get caught now?
Keeping inside the groom and the girl? Are you trying to play a game?
We have already decided that we will not have any relationship at all. Now are you trying to patch us?
Yes, boss. Yes. You both were once so very close. I used to feel jealous when I look at you guys. You were more like ideal friends. But when friends like you got separated, I was deeply pained and shocked.
I don't know how he is able to act so well. He should definitely be given an Oscar.
Your separation was not alone of friendship, but harming our political life too. Not only that, the marriage desires of this young couple, some miscreant destroyed that too.
Someone?
If I
Oh my
unite these
God.
guys, I was sure that you guys would join hands. I was ready to accept whatever bad name comes to me. I thought getting them married would be ideal. If you take a hasty decision, then you eventually end up with a loss. I am nobody to throw my suggestions at you. And also, uniting two separated souls is not going to make me any greater.
Everything has ended well.
Now tell me,
Sir,
what the hell is happening here?
sir, we should not bother about what has happened here. Now both have joined together. Tomorrow they are going to have a political meeting. They will decide about the next minister. It should not happen. We have to somehow stop it, sir. All are eagerly waiting to see the next chief minister. Oh, finally, there will not be any difference of opinion in the decision. We have decided about the next minister. There is only one man who really deserves it, and he is... Just a minute, buddy. Kindly switch on the television.
Without any quarrel and fight, a peaceful protest which we are conducting right now. Do you have any idea for whom I am doing this right now? For our beloved leader, our chief minister, the leader who I was inspired by. From an academician, I became a politician, a leader of that stature, abandoning his post, bidding farewell to politics forever, is actually a very shocking news for all of us. This I could have told him personally, but till today, I have never opposed or suggested him anything. That's the reason why. I just want to bring this to your notice. He should not resign from his post. He should reconsider his decision. If he doesn't change his decision, I would continue my same protest and let you know my decision.
What, sir? Why are you getting up?
What else should I do, buddy? Come, let's go and meet him.
Sir, this is not the right time to stop his fasting, sir. People will think that you both have joined and doing a drama now.
In that case, we can stop the meeting now.
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much to all.
Hello, sir.
Good morning,
Hello,
good morning. Just to stop your fasting immediately, I have taken a decision now. The decision is already taken here. Let me share my views with you all. Please listen. I had already informed that I am going to resign my post in that meeting itself. I was firm in my decision. But who will be the next CM? That was a real confusion. But now the confusion is over. He is our next chief minister.
Sir, can I talk to you for a while? Leave me, man. Leave me.
Don't
Leave me.
let him ask. Yes, tell me.
Sir, if Victor Lawrence sir becomes the next minister, we will be very happy, sir. For that position, after you, nobody is perfect other than him. What I am trying to say is, till the time you are alive, you be the minister. That is what everybody likes. That is why we are actually doing hunger strike. If we have to respect his decisions, you have to be the minister throughout your life. Is it okay, sir? Please say something.
Whatever he's saying is also right, sir.
I am really proud of you. You are a very big asset to our party itself. Not only this, man. I am giving respect for all of your views. I am continuing as a CM.
Brother, whatever you have told, I've done it, brother. But I'm very scared. Why are you getting scared? That guy's play will end now itself. Sit behind me.
So this decision has been taken unanimously.
What, uncle? You are sitting very dull? I don't know what to say, uncle. From the moment I came, everything is going wrong. Whatever plans you had put to become CM, everything has gone wrong. For this, I am not the reason, uncle. Star's problem. Now I'll tell you what to do. Directly you go to the temple, take a dip in the holy pond and perform puja to the god. Everything will be okay. Uncle, you go to the temple which I have told, okay? There also I have my people. Why are you staring like that? When I said I was in love with your daughter, you could have stopped. You could have told I won't give my daughter. Leaving that, you said you will give your daughter and you sent your people to kill us, huh? Do you know the reason for all your failed attempts? Love. And do you know the reason for all my successful attempts? It's the same love. That's love. You can use your brain power and you can win lot of battles. But to win love, not just you, nobody in the entire world can do that. Never. I could have married your daughter without your knowledge. I didn't do. Why? She's your daughter. You have to get her married to me. Don't lose your battle saying you can't do that. You will get her married to me. I'll make sure you get her married to me. What, uncle? You have sent some people to my house? I've invited all my relatives for my marriage. Do you know one thing? 10 people of you will kill one person. But you know one thing? Whole village is here. One guy will kill 10 persons. If they catch any one of your persons, they will kill there itself. Uncle, stop thinking in this alternative route. Get your daughter married to me like a gentleman. Huh? What, you have become silent? You will get her married to me. I will make sure you do that.
What, man? You also feel like laughing when you look at me? Huh? From that family, you could not even touch one person. You are a rowdy and I am a politician.
Not one. I've told them to fish the entire family.
Of course you'll do. Don't make me say bad words at you. Whoever you send have been sent back to me without doing anything. Pandey, he's several times stronger than you. He thinks the way like I do. It is difficult to oppose him and win, Pandey.
What do you mean? Should I leave him or what?
No, you have to defeat him. Defeat him. Accept his challenge and we need to win. For that you have to kill just one person.
Who's that one person? I will finish him off.
My daughter Anjali.
Come, buddy. Did I tell you to finish him off now itself or what? Get out! You have tried to act smart with me. I would have finished you that itself and thrown away your body. But regarding my revenge, I've got different plans now. Your death will be so cruel that nobody has ever seen in their life till now. Do you know that? After death, even if you come as a ghost, you should get frightened after hearing my name.
Brother, you want me, right? You just leave her.
What? Did you hear that? I've been ordered to kill your girlfriend. Why are you staring like that? The order is given by her father. You try to act smart with him. He told me all the story. If this girl is alive, then she will get married to you. That's the reason she has to be killed. And that will be his success in history. But in your case, I should finish you. That's my success. Hey, don't leave them. Come on. Come on, take the vehicle. Quick. Follow, follow. Come on. Come on, move fast. Move the front. Come on, come on, quick. Why the hell are you going so slow? Come on, quick. Quick, guys. Come on, move on. Quick, quick. Come on, just lift them, come on! Come on, quick!
Get up.
Come on, go!
Simply go. Go. Go.
Son of a bitch! Come on! Come on, man! Come on, man!
Indra! Get up!
How many times? How many times? I did not come to politics to just become an MLA or a minister. Chief Minister! For that, so many trials. At last, I thought I'll give my daughter off to KM's son. I thought I'll effortlessly become a CM. In between, you came with your bloody love and stuff. How can I accept this? How is it possible? Not possible. Not possible. Stop that. I wanted to kill each one person from your family. That also got flopped. Besides, I was destroyed by you. And your bloody powerful love. I wanted to defeat that. That's why I wanted my daughter to be killed. That too flopped. Now, how many times should I fail like this over and over again? And both of you standing in front of me. I just have one bullet with me. If I kill either one of you, I will have won the challenge which you have thrown at me.
Shoot me. Shoot me.
Oh no, if once again you escape from this. She said, I'm scared if I'll get my daughter married to you or not. Who lives or who dies is not important. Who is going to win now is going to be important.
Sir, we have to do something, sir.
Whether I win or not, I will not let you win. I will not let you win.
You're always very different, sir. Sam Nicholas, please forgive me.
Why, Dad?
Without really understanding you, I had sent you from a house. It should not have been done.
I'm your son, Dad. You can tell me anything. For you, I will do anything. You are everything for me.